Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide your followers from others. So in order to hide your followers, what you need to do is simply convert your public Instagram account into a private one. So let's see how to do this. First, you need to click on this accounts icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you are inside the settings and activity tab, you may scroll down and here you can see this option which says account privacy. Click on this account privacy option and here it will give you an option for a private account. You can also see that when your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. And then when your account is private, only the followers that you can approve can see what you share, including your photos, videos on hashtags and etc. So what you need to do is simply turn on this private account toggle and it will give you for a confirmation. Simply click on the switch to private button and here you are all set. Since your account is private, no one will be able to see your followers if they are not added as a follower of yours. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.